Hello my beautiful friends. Today I am going to show you how to do the perfect makeup base. Step 1. A lot of people miss this step, and that's dermaplaning. Dermaplaning is a skincare technique that involves gently scraping off dead skin cells and peach fuzz with a specialized blade, revealing a fresh layer of skin. Remember to look up more information about it before trying it yourself. If you have sensitive skin, I recommend going to a professional. Your makeup will apply more smoothly and evenly, resulting in a more polished, airbrushed look. Step 2. Apply a hydrating serum. Applying serum before makeup is beneficial because it preps the skin, creating a smoother and healthier base. Step 3. Apply moisturizer. Well-moisturized skin is plumper and smoother, allowing makeup to glide on easily and blend more naturally. In addition to enhancing the look of makeup, moisturizer also serves as a protective barrier between your skin and makeup products. This barrier helps lock in your skin's natural moisture, reducing the likelihood of dryness and irritation caused by makeup throughout the day. Step 4. Use a primer that matches your needs. Mattifying for oily skin, hydrating for dry, or pore filling for areas with visible pores. This layer helps makeup adhere better and last longer. Step 5. Concealer. Before applying concealer, make sure you use an eye primer to hydrate under your eyes. Then apply concealer to brighten under the eyes and cover any blemishes or discoloration, and do not add too much. A little goes a long way. Step 6. Foundation. Choosing the right foundation is essential, so select a shade that matches your skin tone. Apply with a brush instead of a sponge so you can create a smoother finish by buffing product seamlessly into the skin. Step 7. Setting powder. Set the makeup with a light dusting of translucent powder to help absorb excess oils on the skin's surface, reducing shine and keeping makeup in place throughout the day. Following these steps ensures a flawless, fresh base that will keep you looking radiant all day long, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more beauty tips.